In today's video, we're going to be attempting to sublimate on these Amazon sublimation wallets. So if you want to see how it turns out, just keep watching. If you're new to my channel, my name is Leslie. My channel is all about crafting on a budget. I do Cricut and sublimation videos. If any of those things interest you, please consider subscribing, joining my YouTube family, and let's get into this video. So these wallets are from Amazon. They are 2 for $13.99. They have 2 ID windows and 8 credit card slots. They are polyester, which is the part you can sublimate on, and PU leather. It says that it's 3.9 by 3.7, the design area, but I measured it. I think it was like 4.2 by 4 or something like that. I read a lot of the reviews and they said to not let heat touch the leather parts. So we're gonna open these up and kind of see how they look. So one is brown and one is black. They are individually wrapped, which is nice, so you can just wrap it back in here if you're giving this to a customer or whatever. There was no time and temp listed on the listing, so I am just going to wing it. But here's how it looks. They feel decent quality for being... I've never done a sublimation wallet before. So we'll see how this goes. I'm gonna attempt this on the heat press first. If it doesn't work out and it's a disaster, we're gonna try the easy press mini. I'm really scared about this. We'll see, because I saw a lot of people melted the leather. So that makes me really nervous. So we'll see how this turns out, because I don't know. We'll see. So I have my designs here. You can sub on both sides of the wallet. So I'm gonna do 2 different pictures. And I'm gonna over prepare this because I'm just really scared of it not working well. So I'm gonna cut my pictures out. So I'm just gonna make sure that that is done. I think I'm gonna do one side first. And then I'll do the other side. So I'm gonna open it up. Try to just place it where I think it would look best. I did make the design bigger because I wanted to have more room. Just want to make sure. And then once I have that, I'm gonna take my heat tape and I'm gonna start just taping it. I'm so nervous about this, you guys. There was no like clear instructions on the listing on how to do this. So I really want to make sure that I tape this well, because you'll see in a sec what I plan on doing. So I want to protect this as much as I can because I really don't want it to melt. So I was thinking I'm going to use my silicone pad. Like that. And then I was thinking of bringing it over and kind of just putting it like this so that we can kind of protect it as much as possible. So I'm just lining it up with where the polyester part ends. Lining it up as close as I possibly can get it. I don't know if this is gonna work. I'm just, we're winging it right now because there was no clear instructions on how to do this. If you have some tips on how to better prep this, please let me know down below. I'm just extremely taping this down. Like, it may be excessive, but I'm like really nervous about this one. So now we're gonna take it to our heat press and we're gonna try this out. I'm just gonna end up doing 385 for 60 seconds like I normally do with anything sublimation. I do 385 and not 400 because my heat press tends to run hot and 400 tends to burn things. So let's try this. Okay, so I'm gonna move my wallet here. I'm gonna make sure protect it as much as I can. I'm gonna take some butcher paper, put it on top. And I'm gonna press. Okay, moment of truth. Sublimated pretty well, and I think the silicone protected the leather pretty well. Okay. There's a few spots where it didn't get necessarily the best pressure, but that's okay. So only one spot up here didn't get like a lot of pressure, but that's okay. Okay, so now we're gonna do the same on the other side. It cools down pretty fast. This time though, because there is an image on here, we're just gonna have to put some butcher paper here to kind of protect that design. Okay, so now we're gonna move to the heat press and see if this method works better to kind of get that good pressure on it. Okay, let's see. Oh wait, I was gonna move this way. Okay, now I need to adjust my pressure. I absolutely love how these turned out. Yeah, this one part didn't have enough pressure on that part, but on the second try that I did, it has enough pressure. But be aware that, like I said, just make sure you cover the leather, because if you look closely, there is a little bit of sublimation ink right here and a tiny bit right there. It's almost like a whole line right there. So make sure that you cut the sublimation paper right where this finishes so that you don't have that issue. The silicone mat, I think, helped a lot because it helped protect the leather. So nothing happened to the leather. It's completely intact. It didn't melt. It's completely intact. So absolutely love these. These are a great like Christmas gift, personal touch gift, Father's Day gift. So let me know down below if you guys know anywhere where these are cheaper. Again, these are 2 for $13.99 on Amazon. I'll have them linked down below. And yeah, let me know down below if you guys try them. Let me know how you think it turned out. Any tips and tricks you have up your sleeves in regards to the wallet. And thank you guys for supporting me. We're on our way to 8,000 subscribers and I am super grateful for you guys. I love you guys. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not already. Don't forget to hit the bell notification button to be notified every time I upload. And I love you. Oh, give this video a thumbs up. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.